Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Math Core Booster on this wonderful Friday, January 22nd. So, I don't know about you guys, but I am super excited for this weekend. The Packers play the Buccaneers for a chance to go to the Super Bowl. All right. I mean, not like it's a big deal or anything, but, it's kind of a game to go to the Super Bowl. So, I'd like us to do a Super Bowl activity. So, obviously, you've already clicked on this intro video and you're watching me talk right now. Next, after the video ends, you're going to click on this worksheet. It is NFL teams by the numbers. And here we're going to be taking a look at data for each of the NFL teams and respect to how long they've been a team for, where they're located, how many Super Bowl appearances, and how many Super Bowl wins they have. And these top two documents have all 32 NFL teams in the data. And then you're going to scroll down to this worksheet. It says the math behind football. It says use the team table to answer the questions below. Round percentages to the nearest tenth and write any fractions in simplest form. So I have my annotation tool here. Let's go ahead and take a look at question number 5. Okay, we'll do that one together. It says what percentage of teams have not been to the Super Bowl? So which ones have not even made an appearance? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll up and look at my data to see if I can figure that question out. So here I got to think, okay, how can I figure out which ones have not been to the Super Bowl? So I'm looking at Super Bowl appearances right here, and I'm seeing a lot of, the Cleveland Browns do not have a number under Super Bowl appearances, so they haven't been there. The Detroit Lions haven't been there. The Houston Texans haven't been to the Super Bowl. And the Jacksonville Jaguars. So far, 4 teams have not been to the Super Bowl. Are there any more? No, it looks like all other teams have been there. So what percentage of teams have not been to the Super Bowl? Well, let's go ahead and write that in here. So we have the 4 teams that have not been to the Super Bowl out of the 32 teams total. All right, and so it's asking for a percentage here. So how do I calculate percentage? So what I'm going to do here is do my number of teams that haven't made it divided by the total number of teams. And so I have my calculator here. 4 divided by 32. That gives me 0.125. Now remember, the word percentage means out of 100. So what I need to do is multiply my decimal here, 0.125, by 100. So you could do that, right? You could multiply by 100 in your calculator, but here's a neat little trick. We can take that decimal point and move it 2 places over to the right. So that now gives us 12.5. And remember, this is a percentage here. This is a percentage, all right? Remember, we write percentages with that percent sign afterwards, all right? So 12.5%. Did I answer the question? Yes. And then if you were to look at a different question, say question number 3, it says which team has a bird in their name? Which teams have a bird in their name? Okay, so now I need to go back up to my document if I'm looking at question 3, and I'd have to look at all the names of the teams. So I have the Arizona Cardinals, so they're birds. The Atlanta Falcons, that's another bird team. The Ravens, they're a bird team. So we have a lot of bird teams here, but we're going to have to figure out how many exactly. And then we're going to write that number in there, divide by 32, the number of teams in the NFL. And then remember, we write percentage by moving that decimal place over 2 spots and putting that percentage sign at the end of the number. All right, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please email me. I will also include my email so you can submit this assignment to me, but there is an answer key. All right, so after you finish this on your own, you can check your answers on the answer key. All right, thank you very much.